This is Beyond the Bubble, a podcast brought to you by Career Services. Hi, we're here with John Duffy today. You're listening to Beyond the Bubble. And John is a graduate of the class of 2018. He is currently working at Grant Street Group. He's a business analyst there. He was the president of Alpha Tau Omega fraternity here on campus. I got to make a shout out to that because we are fraternity brothers, as is our producer, which is pretty cool. So this podcast is brought to you by Career Services. John, thank you for joining us today.
Hey, Ben. Thanks for having me.
So now you were a major in Spanish and math. Now you are a business analyst. When you left college, is that what you thought you were going to be doing?
Well, I left college with the anticipation of entering the tech industry in some capacity. So I didn't really know what that looked like. I was an applied math student with the intention of sort of studying that computer science angle. There wasn't too much offered at the time at Hillsdale in the computer science vein. So applied math, we were doing a little bit of programming in a couple of our classes, but that's sort of where I wanted to take my career. And so just getting into the tech industry was sort of objective number one. And then I figured I could kind of do some of the programming stuff on the side independently and make my way into becoming a developer or programmer. What I found was that my skill set and what I really ended up enjoying a lot more was more so the business and the client side of the tech industry. So I'm still very much so around what I wanted to be around. So I work at sort of a financial technical company, and so we're developing software, and I'm very much so a part of that process. I'm just not the one